burner on this. Oh man.
Hey, what up everyone, it's Los Wheels. We are in Southgate today. We're meeting up with the homeboy Danny. He's gonna show us his dope truck. And here he is, man, check it out. What's up, dog? What's up, man? What's up, man? Danny, man, bro. Danny.
Hey,
what's up, dog? What is that beauty right there, dog? What is that?
A 1976 Chevrolet K10. My dad had something similar to this. I grew up with a truck like this. I used to ride in the back of that truck. We used to ride all the way from LA to Mexico. Call it the COVID build. It was built during COVID. I had a chance to pick this up. It was a total junk. The only thing that was good was the bed. So me and my nephew Anthony, we're the ones that were putting time, hours, and just building this truck, like from morning to night. People were selling their stuff. They were scared that COVID was gonna mess their business up. I paid $400 for both of these shocks, and you know, they're about what, $700-800 a pop right now if you look at them. This tire shop, I found these rims brand new. Like there's no way you can find these rims right now anywhere.
That was a good deal too.
That was $300.
And then normally,
oh, these, well, if you find these, I mean, they're gonna be over 1,000.
you got 4 of these for $3. Where'd you get the tires from? What size? What brand?
39.5 Super Swamper TSLs. Now they're about $1,000 each. When I first bought them, they were $540 each.
Oh yeah, pop it. He's gonna pop it. Whoa, big boy.
So we got a little 6.0 LS with a Vortex supercharger. It's running on methanol.
Now what's that about?
Methanol keeps your, so like a lot of people like to run coolers, so because your supercharger gets a lot hot.
Okay.
So when you add methanol, it keeps it cool. So you don't blow your engine. We got our meth thing down here.
Okay.
Here's our tank.
That's to keep it running cool.
Yep, that's your boost juice, they call it. We did it all from the backyard, so it's not.
Okay.
You know, we're not professionals here, but
hey, it looks it.
It was done nice. It runs, dude. I can drive this truck anywhere. Like I've driven this truck by 90 miles per hour. Doesn't feel
90.
Doesn't feel good.
No, okay.
We mess around with them.
So we come out. Look at that. It's just, you know, every time I look at it, the more I like it. The more it's just like it's clean. You know, you want to trip. It's flashy, but not. You know what I'm saying?
Very stock.
Yeah.
Like I try to do it as stock as possible, as you can find it.
Yeah.
But with my little touch.
Is that what it is?
Yeah, with a little touch of something different, not like everybody else has their same. Just a little different.
I didn't expect all that. I think you have these, fool. That thing is dope. That's sick. Oh, nice. Let's go. All right, here we go. We're about to get in. I'm short, so I need the stepper. Yeah. Whoa! Yeah, I'm gonna. Wow. Dog. That's power, dog. Let's do this. Roll this window down. All right. Here we go. Hey, Understatement. Whoa. Feels so powerful. We're only going like, what? 20 miles an hour? Wow, look at that. We'll take up the whole street. Nice. This is nice. I love the toughness of it. I must say. Dude. Hey, dog. Bro, my feet were up in the air. No joke. That was impressive. That's pretty awesome. Oh, man. Now where's Southgate still?
Southgate still. See, we could do a nice little burn on this.
Oh man! The back streets of Southgate, baby, watch out! Oh, that was dope. Now I understand why you got it. This is insane. The big old tires. Here we go. Woo! Whoa, that is powerful. People, my feet. Look at my feet. That's how I had to put them. This is dope. This is sick. Yeah. Oh man, dog. Cement is just so dope. Watch out, ice cream man. Watch out. I'm not gonna want to be in a regular car ever again.
You actually, man,
I mean, I wouldn't mind mashing this myself.
I drive a Honda Accord, bro.
Okay.
Something similar to that.
Oh, gotcha.
And dude, when I get off it, when I get off my truck, dude, it feels like I'm riding in a Cadillac, bro.
Oh yeah. Wow, man. The beast is asleep, dog. That was dope. Thank you, man. Thank you.